GR2000 Introduction. Open the dedicated packaging box. This is the manual, detailed explanation and analysis of the usage of GR2000. Warranty card, GR2000 exclusive warranty card number and factory barcode. Operation CD, loaded with introduction and operation videos. This is the GR2000 host unit. Top, signal receiving unit and main power switch. Front, display screen and operation interface. Left and right sides. Behind, magnetic rod and laser head. Bottom, charging unit, handle slot, and body code. This is the GR2000 exclusive handle. Radar scanning antenna. Super rod antenna. Charger, standard American standard, European standard, British standard optional, charger USB connection cable, super rod antenna steering connector. Assembly. Remove the host and handle, insert the handle into the card slot, screw it in and tighten it. Then screw the radar antenna into the radar card slot. Next, turn the antenna towards the connector and screw it into the slot, which can point towards the sky or at a 90-degree angle directly in front of the host. This is pointing towards the sky. This is a 90-degree angle pointing directly in front of the main engine.